Hi, today I'm going to give a presentation about business ideas that are relevant to the supplier challenge for autonomic robots. Here's my table of content. There are 6 parts in my presentation. So let's have a look at the first part. It's the background. Autonomic is a brand focusing on robot companies' development and innovation, designing robotics into a mini ship as adorable desktop pad is autonomic trend. Like this image, like this pictured, you can see autonomic robots is very tiny and adorable. And also in Autonomic is owned and operated started up by 2 Australian entrepreneurs and supported by the University of Adelaide ThinkLab. ThinkLab is an innovation hub that gives locally based startup companies a supportive business environment. So, yeah. So I also did some marketing analysis for the autonomic robotic from the segmentation, target market, distribution channels, consumer benefits. I would like to emphasize their segmentation part. They segment their consumers from the demography, psychography, and behavioral. For their target market, autonomic has sent its products to 13 different countries around the globe, and mainly to the US and European markets. And for their distribution channels, currently they rely on online sales. For their consumer benefits, there are 2 aspects. First is emotional benefits, and second is the functional benefits. From the emotional benefits, autonomic robots can pleasure consumers when they feel stressed and depressed. So for the problem statement, I define this problem for them is the mismatch between the manufacturer and the supplier. Why would I define this problem? Because many consumers' preference demonstrate on customizing appearance for autonomic that needs for different hats and costumes. Autonomic recognize customer desires for product appearance, such like colors, and try to offer for sales. However, with expenditure on the minimum required manufacturing amount and limited cost, providing customized service seems unpractical for autonomic to operate. Therefore, the mismatch between manufacturer and the supplier is defined as a problem for autonomic. So how would I recommend to solve this problem? So I would recommend for them to coordinate the relationship between manufacturing and the supplier. Taking an example like Apple Watch bands, Apple has published several materials in some specific colors for their bands. So they turn the market to the silo driver. So I think autonomic can also take this strategy for their products. They can offer some specific colors for their products appearance and let customer to choice rather than be customized by consumers. So for autonomic computers actions, they also have the similar problems. And the computers for autonomic, they also adopt Apple Watch bands strategy to solve the problem. So I think autonomic can also take this strategy to solve. So the next part, why this is a good opportunity for me, I would like to say it from 3 aspects. The first is skills. It improved my research skill and also my knowledge, practice my entrepreneurship mind, and also connection to drive my ideas to practice. And finally, drive ideas to a business opportunity. So the first step for me to take is the opportunity research opportunity search process, there are two steps: scan the environment for opportunities and encounter possibility opportunities. So overall, the first step I would take to drive my ideas into a business opportunity is to scan the general environment to seek for a good opportunity to practice my idea. And finally, this is my reference. Thank you.